Hello, this is John from caveofprogramming.com. Welcome to my Udemy Intermediate to Advanced C++ course. So this course is going to be good for you if you know the basics of C++, you know about loops and classes and subroutines and these kinds of things, and you want to improve your knowledge to a more advanced level. It's also good for you if you know an older kind of C++ like C++ 98 or before, and you want to learn about the many new features that were introduced in C++ 11. And this course actually picks up from where my free beginner C++ course leaves off. So we're going to start here by looking at some relatively basic stuff like exceptions and reading and writing files. We're going to move on to looking at STL, the standard template library, which is something that almost every C++ programmer is going to want to know about at some stage. We're going to look at operator overloading, creating template classes, passing functions to functions, and we're going to look at many of the new features that were introduced in C++ 11, like move constructors, lambda expressions, and the difference between L values and R values, which are something that you really need to understand in C++ 11 to use it effectively. At the end of this course, we're going to create a project that's going to write a beautiful fractal image, a sort of zoomed in colored fractal image to a bitmap file. And this is going to give us a chance to use some of the features that we've looked at in the course, like vectors and smart pointers, which we've seen earlier in this course. And it's going to give you a lot of practice with writing C++ programs. And I'm going to give you exercises at every step of the way. Often earlier on, the exercises are just to repeat what I've done, and I'll try to give you some little other thing you can do in most of these videos. And then later on, I'll give you some, towards the end of the course, I'll give you some really sort of more advanced exercises to do with extending and improving this program that we create at the end. All the source code is included for the final project, and I've also included the source code for the majority of most of the earlier videos on specific topics as well. Okay, so I hope you'll join the course. You can view the first videos free just by clicking on them, although I'm not sure that that's going to be in HD. If you subscribe to the course, you can view all the videos in high definition, so they should be pretty clear. So until next time, happy coding.